How's it going, YouTube? Speckham Auto is back with another video today. Today, we're going to do a little tutorial video, and we're going to be installing brand new high beam bulbs in my 2010 Honda Civic. This installation video will be valid for pretty much any 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic, 2-door or 4-door, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, before we get started, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a look at what the high beams look like before the change. This one isn't completely terrible. As you can see, half of it is starting to die though, like the other side's still full brightness, but that particular one right there is starting to die. Then you come over to this side's really dying. Very, very little life to no life left at all in this bulb. So that's why we're changing these high beams out today. So here, real quick, is what it looks like now. And of course, after all this is said and done, I'll show you guys before and after photos, so you guys can get a really good look at how it looked at nighttime, you know, now compared to after. So let's go ahead and show you guys what to do. Alright guys, so when it comes to the passenger side headlight, there is one immediate, easy way to take out the bulb. And all you have to do is just go back here in this giant hole. And as you can see right there, you can see that little fan blade right here. This is the old LED high beam bulb. So all you gotta do is just reach in under the hood, right in there. Right? Well, yeah. You just reach in there where I pointed at, turn to the left, pull it out, and as you can see right here, this bulb is now out. And it's an LED, so it's got a little bit of a longer wire than OEM halogen. So all we have to do is just kind of pull it out right here. And you see this blue connector, that's the connector to the high beam bulb. So all you gotta do for that is just push down on the pin on this side and pull the bulb out. Obviously it's a two-hand job, so let me do this off camera. Alright guys, so on the driver's side, however, as you guys can see, it's a lot tighter of a situation versus the passenger side. So there are two ways that you can do this side with the high beam in a lot easier of a way. The one that most people like to do is they take their left wheel here, turn it all the way to the right, and then they'll come up into the mud flap here, or fender liner, and up in there, there's usually like a little Phillips head screw that you take out, and that's how you're able to pop this bumper off on the edge here, and you can just kind of fold the fender liner in. You can reach your arm up in there and do it like that, or I could show you the easier way of doing it so we don't have to do all that. Alright, so now for the easier way that I think most of us would prefer to do, and some of us might already know, but don't worry about it. If you do know, this is a tutorial for those that don't know. Don't worry about the black and yellow wire crap that's here. That's just from my aftermarket headlights that I built. So if you have stock headlights or whatever, disregard all these wires. So basically all you're going to do is we're going to take our coolant reservoir, we're going to unscrew it right here. We're going to pull out the hose. So here comes the cap and the line. We're just going to pull it out, kind of tuck it up under the lip of this radiator cap so it kind of stays still. You don't have to worry about a lot of dirt and stuff getting to the hose entry there. So we don't have to worry about any of that getting into our line. So next, all we're gonna have to do now is we're gonna take our reservoir. We're gonna pull up a little bit, jiggle it, and it'll clip out of place. And that's where we're gonna pull our reservoir out. So here we go. We got our coolant reservoir right here, full of coolant. Good sign. So now we're just gonna sit our coolant reservoir in a safe place where it's not going to tip over and spill all the coolant. And that's when we'll get back over here, and then we will get started with unplugging the bulb and changing it out. Alright guys, so it's going to be the same story as the passenger side from this point forward. So basically all we're going to do is stick our hand in there. We're going to reach for that bulb again, twist it to the left, and then we're going to pull it out. And then here you'll see me starting to pull it up out of the hood here. And as you can see, here's the old bulb that's completely dying. And then I'll show you guys, now that I have both hands, how to unclip this. So let me zoom you guys in on the wire clip right there. So as you guys can see on this end, there's a little tab that you push down. All you do is push down, and then this lip should lift up, and then you just pull the bulb out. Easy peasy. Alright guys, so here's the box with the brand new LED bulbs. We're just going to pull all this stuff out. And we're going to have a nice little reveal here of our fancy brand new bulbs. These look so much higher quality and heavier duty than the old ones that I just pulled out. So I'm going to take you guys over here. Before I put these in, I want to give you guys a little cool side-by-side comparison. Just kind of compare old versus new. So right here guys, we have the old bulb that we just pulled out versus new. These are both the same type of bulb. These are both, I believe, 9005 or 9006, one of the two, whichever size is the Highbeams, because both Highbeams and low beams could be either 9005 or 9006 for this vehicle. So yeah, just Google it, whatever. But yeah, side by side, you could definitely tell a quality difference right away between the LUXSTER and the LUXSTER bulb that I just bought from Amazon. These, I believe, both came from Amazon. Now, this doesn't mean I no longer recommend LUXSTER. LUXSTER is an amazing brand. I still 100% stand behind this brand. I still recommend people buying this brand. These bulbs have lasted me almost 4 years or so. So I've had a long time with these bulbs before they started to die. But yeah, this is the new LUXSTER Punisher 2024 LED bulbs that I just bought from Amazon. These have 40,000 lumens each. Or is it 40,000 lumens for the set? I don't remember, but either way, it's a pretty good amount of lumens. It's supposed to be really stupid bright. It definitely looks like this is going to be a lot brighter than the LUXSTER though. Even the freaking cooling fan is a lot bigger on the new one. That's, you know, this means serious business. So with that being said, let's go ahead and put this in. So as I said before, we're going to have our blue tab here where we plug in our bulb. We're just going to do the opposite of what we did taking them out. So we're going to snap that in. Then we're going to take our bulb, stick it into the socket where it belongs. And then when it gets into the correct position, we are going to turn it right to tighten it in. Like that. Alright, so now we're just going to take our blue connector again, like I said before. Just take the bulb, make sure that this little tab that's pointing up points with this. And then we just snap it in, just like so. Ugh, tongue twister today. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to put it into the socket, and then we're going to turn it left when it gets aligned with the holes. And when we do that, we'll be able to twist it left, and then that'll be it. So now the lights are in, and we'll just have to put our reservoir back on, plug it back in, and we can test our new lights. Well, here we go, guys. Brand new bulbs are put in. They look hella bright, even in the daytime. You're looking into the garage. Woo, you can tell. Oh yeah. Just gotta show you. Let me zoom you guys in just a little bit. Watch. Low beams, off, low beams, high beams. Yep. Yeah, I'm satisfied. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna drop some before and after photos right here, right now. Show you guys old high beams versus new high beams. In both these pictures, the fog lights are all on, low beams are on, and all the high beams are on. Both pictures, both times. Super different. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Hope this tutorial helps you out, or just you simply enjoyed the video for the content, something to watch. As always, please like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Most of all, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notified of each video upload. Until next time, stay safe out there, and Happy New Year.